y'all new to my channel, my name is Chandrea, but you can call me Drea for short. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And today I'll be doing a back to school haul, medical assistant student edition. And I got most of my supplies off at Amazon except for 2 items. So the first item I want to show you guys is this Rockland rolling book bag, and this is $28.99 off of Amazon, which is on sale now. And then I got this planner, and I got this for $9.99, but now you can get it for $16.99 if you want the same planner. Next is this notebook, 5-star notebook, and it's very nice. I like it. And I got these shoes also from Amazon. And I already tried them on and they feel comfortable. And I got these off of Amazon for $38.99. Next I got this stethoscope. And I got this off of Amazon for $6.45. Let me take it out the box so I can show you guys. Then the last item I got was these pens. I did not get these off of Amazon. I got them in store in Myers, and these were buy one get one free, 30% off. But the other items that I got for Amazon, I will link those below, and I will be showing you my medical assistant student journey. So I hope you subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Stay with it. You don't